Hi and welcome back to the channel. It's been rather a long time since I last uploaded a video on the Rover P4. Life sometimes gets in the way, but I'm ready to start doing some of the repairs on the chassis and other welding jobs that need to be done. So in this episode we'll be doing this. So as you can see, I've drilled out and this and this. When I removed the carpets from inside the car, on the passenger side it revealed a hole in the front of the passenger footwell, and so in this episode we're going to actually repair that. Now this is going to be the first real repair I've done on any bodywork on a car for rather a long time. In fact, it's probably back in the late 80s on a Triumph Spitfire. So without further ado, we'll go through the process, and it's not going to be a lot of talking in this one, thank goodness you say, but we'll just look at the repair that needs doing and repair it. Today we're going to be having a go at repairing this little hole here in the passenger footwell. And as you can see, the metal has corroded, and this is, if you can see closer, just here, that top piece of metal is spot welded to this piece of metal here, which is attached to the chassis. So as you can see, that also is a bit rusty. So what we'll do is we'll drill out these spot welds and cut the corroded section out. And there's a couple of holes, as you can see there's a hole there. We'll cut out the metal that needs to be cut out and measure up and weld in a new section. So as you can see, I've drilled out the spot welds and marked out the section I'm going to cut out. So I won't film that because it's quite a confined space, and I don't want to ruin the camera, so I'll cut that out and then we'll get back when I've dressed it all up. Okay, don't judge me too harshly on the state of these cuts. I had a proper 1mm cutting disc to do these two cuts, but I couldn't get the big angle grinder in to cut these horizontal cuts, so I only had a 1.6mm cutting disc, which was a pain in the backside with my air grinder. So anyway, it's cut through now, and as you can see, if I can get this out, get a screwdriver, it's just under seal. Oops, just under seal there. And so I'll dress all this down, cut a new piece of metal and weld it in. Okay, so as you can see, I've drilled the two holes for the plug welds, and it's a reasonable fit. Not the best, but it's got enough clearance all the way around for the butt welds. And I've also, if I can remove the repair panel, I've also sprayed it with weld-through primer on the back, and there's enough room underneath to put some under seal and paint it after I've welded it on. And actually I'll put some weld-through primer on this as well, just to give it a bit of protection. Now, considering this is the first time I've actually done any welding really for 14 years, and that was fairly heavy duty stuff, but the last time I welded anything on a car was, oh Christ, back in about 1986 on a Triumph Spitfire, where I rebuilt most of the car. Anyway, so let's just zoom in a bit. It's not the prettiest welding in the world, but I think I've got everything. So what I'm going to do now is just dress it down and see if there's any pinholes. If there is, I'll just fill those in with weld, not filler, and then we'll see the finished product. So let's have a closer look at the finished repair. And if I zoom in a little bit, the lighting's probably not the best in here, but you can see that it's a solid repair and it's certainly not going to go anywhere. And it's better than the corroded section that was in there. Now I'm going to put some zinc primer on there before I go any further, but there's a lot more to do in here. There's repair to the splash panel, and if you can see that red oxide there, there's a very bad repair, or certainly repair that hasn't been completed. So that all needs to be done, and then I'll be doing the coating on the floor itself. I'll probably take all of the seats out to check everything else out as well. So yep, that's sort of the end of this episode, but what I will do is tell you what I'll be doing in the next episode, and that is the repair on this chassis, which I've alluded to in previous videos. And this was going to be my first repair that I was going to video, but it's a bit more involved, and as you can see, I have welded in a few sections there, 3 in fact, and there's another 7 repair patches that I need to finish off this repair to the near side chassis. So that's all going to be in the next video. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.